Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the adware called CreatePremium. CreatePremium is the adware that is from the ad load family of adware type infections. CreatePremium adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. If this CreatePremium was somehow installed to your computer, of course, the only correct conclusion is to remove this adware as soon as you can. To remove this adware, check your applications, find this CreatePremium adware, then right-click on it and choose the option to move it to the trash. Of course, you may also then empty the trash. To make sure that your Mac computer, is free of other possibly concealed threats, I recommend you to scan your device with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.